In this video, I will show you how to connect Monday.com to Claude using Zapier to automate your project management and creative writing tasks. This integration is incredibly powerful because it allows you to automatically generate content, summarize tasks, or analyze data without ever leaving your project board. To start the process, open your Zapier dashboard and click on the button to create a new Zap. For the trigger step, you need to select Monday.com as your app. From the Event drop-down menu, choose the option for a new item in board. This means every time you add a new row or task to your specific board, the automation will begin. You will then be prompted to link your Monday.com account if you have not done so already. Once your account is connected, select the specific board you want to monitor and run a quick test to make sure Zapier can see your data. Now that the trigger is set up, it is time for the second step, which involves Claude. Search for the Anthropic app in the Action section and select it. Under the Event menu, choose Send Prompt. This is the command that tells Claude exactly what to do with the information from your Monday board. In the prompt field, you can type a specific instruction and then insert dynamic fields from your Monday task, such as the item name or description. This ensures Claude has the context it needs to provide a high-quality response. After you have mapped your fields, click Continue and run a test to verify the output. Once everything looks perfect, publish your Zap to go live.